Transit Tracker.
Greetings, I am Transit Tracker. I will be assisting you with schedules, arrivals, delays, alerts and detours for transit services in your city. To spice things up, I will tell you some famous quotes, random number facts, and current weather forecast. Splendid, let's get you set up. I can configure your device using your current zip code, closest stop, or station ID. To set up with the closest stop or station ID, say, set up my device with Kalispero, Kansas, 80, or configure my device with Kalispero, Kansas, 80. To set up with your current zip code, say, set up my device with 19725, or configure my device with 19725. You can always say, help, repeat, or stop to quit.
Set up my device with Seattle, Washington, 75403.
Amazing. I heard Seattle, Washington, stop ID 75403. If this is correct, say yes to proceed, or say no to provide new setup details.
Yes.
Awesome. I found Seattle, Washington, in United States. If this is correct, say yes to confirm, or say no to try again.
Yes.
Fabulous. I found 11 transit agencies. I will provide you details based on the most closest to you in miles. If you want to use any as your preferred transit service provider, say yes after I have provided details and prompted you. Seattle Children's Hospital Shuttle. Do you want to use Seattle Children's Hospital Shuttle as your default transit provider?
No.
Pierce Transit. Do you want to use Pierce Transit as your default transit provider?
Next.
Everett Transit. Do you want to use Everett Transit as your default transit provider?
Skip.
Metro Transit. Do you want to use Metro Transit as your default transit provider?
Yes.
Amazing. I found your stop. Stop ID 75403, Stevens Way and Benton Lane, southbound, serving 14 routes, operated by Metro Transit. If this is correct, say yes to confirm, or say no to provide new setup details.
Yes.
Great. Stevens Way and Benton Lane has been set as your default preferred stop. I can now assist you with transit information. You can say, start, open, or launch Transit Tracker.